Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Miss Blue and I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today I am going to show you how to weather this lightsaber. Very easy, very beginner friendly, nobody likes a long intro, so let's jump into it straight away. Today we are using a lightsaber kindly provided to us by Kenjo. They don't sell this exact model anymore, but the Ascalon is a very close match. So for this product we will need black metallic spray paint, some super glue, a leather strap, sanding sticks, acrylic paint in black and copper, some sanding paper, I personally use 150 grit, and an old towel. To start, we sand the whole lightsaber. With the sticks you can add some more precise cuts and damaged spots. Now you might be asking, how much sanding do I need? Well, that is completely up to you. Maybe you just got stuck on a muddy and rainy planet. Maybe you just had an intense duel with a Mando. Or you're just pure chaos and you throw your lightsaber around any chance you get. It's completely up to you and you're making your story here. Once we are done with the sanding, we will give it a first layer of paint. Do this outside or in a well-ventilated area. With the paint still wet, take an old towel or some paper and dab off most of the paint. The paint will stick to the sanded areas the most. Repeat this step until you're happy with the look. And then this is what we have so far. I'm pretty happy with this outcome, so I'm going to stop here and I'm going to proceed to the next step, which in my case is adding some leather straps to it. So as you can see, I'm first wrapping the leather strap around the lightsaber without gluing it down, because I want to make sure I like what I'm doing before I make it more permanent. Sanding the hilt just a tiny bit so that the glue can adhere better, and let's go for it. So onto the gluing. I don't think this needs a lot of explanation, but for the first round I had to glue on the hilt itself, and for the following rounds I always add the glue on the leather strap. This way I can work more precise and have more control over what I'm doing. As you can see, when I glue down my first part, I make sure that the leather overlaps each other in the beginning. Now keep in mind, do not put the glue too close to the edges, otherwise you create a situation like this. Now I'm lucky and my fingers did not get glued on the strap, but just make sure that whenever you put the glue, do not put it too close to the edge. To finish it nicely, I am making a mark where I want to cut it and make sure that you can overlap the last bits of leather. And then just making a small mark where the lightsaber belt clip thingy is normally attached to. It will be easier this way before you glue everything down. On to the finishing touches. I have glued all the leather parts down and now I'm taking my sanding paper again to give it a bit of a weathered look as well. If you like the look you have right now, you can quit here, but I like to add the following as a final step. I'm using acrylic copper and black, and tip is that a little goes a long way. You might have heard of the term dry brushing, and that is what we will do here. You take some of the paint on your brush and then dab most of it off again. Keep your brush dry and start painting. I like to keep the copper on the metal parts to give it a bit of a rusty look, and then the black to tone down the copper and to add the weathering on the leather as well. If you have too much paint on your hilt, don't worry, just use a bit of paper and rub it off again. And there you have it. I hope you liked this tutorial, that you could learn something from it. If you liked it, laat misschien een berichtje achter en ook een hartje, and I will see you another time.